Selecting the proper submersible water pump is extremely important in order to achieve optimum performance of your pond or water feature. Aquascape EcoWave Pond Pumps provide high-volume water flow with electrical efficiency unmatched by other pumps with similar flow rates. EcoWave pumps range in size from 2,000 gallons per hour to 5,000 gallons per hour and are ideal for providing water circulation for ponds, filters, and waterfalls. The high performance and energy efficiency of the EcoWave Pond Pump is a result of the pump's internal smart motor technology. A PC board inside the pump controls the rotation of the impeller, and the vortex-style curved impeller blades allow the pump to move large volumes of water while conserving energy and saving money on operating costs. EcoWave pumps are designed to run continuously to meet the operational demands of water features, and a built-in electronic overload sensor is integrated to protect the pump from overheating if clogged or exposed to low water levels. The durable thermoplastic pump body will not corrode or rust, and the rubber feet prevent vibration to keep the pump quiet while in use. The EcoWave Pond Pump is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, ensuring year after year of reliable use. Each EcoWave Pond Pump includes a variety of fittings, allowing for quick and easy installation or pump replacement in new or existing water features. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years in order to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.